Welcome back to my channel. So this is day 4 of my birthday series. So today's video shout out goes to Rockstar Lavu. So thank you so much for commenting on my videos. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can do this perfect straightening like I have done today. So I am doing this kind of straightening from like past 5 to 6 years. So let me tell you guys first that I'm not a professional. This is just the method that has worked for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well because it is very simple, and this way you can do your straightening very easily and very quickly as well. So yeah, let me show you how you can achieve this perfect straight hair in just 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with this video. So guys, before moving on to the tutorial, this is the straightener which I'm going to use today. This is the Vega 3-in-1 styler. This is how the straightener looks. This is like 3-in-1. It has crimper, straightener and also a curler. So this is the tool which I'm going to use today. You can use any straightener which you have as well. Okay guys, so now you can see this is how my natural hair looks. It is slightly wavy. You can see it looks very dry, and from the back as well you can see that it has a lot of texture. So before starting with the straightening, I am going to use this aloe vera gel as in heat protectant. So you can use any heat protectant. Here I am using aloe vera gel. Just apply a thick amount of aloe vera gel in your length. So while protecting your hair from heat damage, it will also maintain your straightening for a longer time. So once that is done, divide your hair. So just take a lower 1/3 portion, and rest of the hair you can tie in a bun using a rubber band. So after you have secured the upper portion, start with lower 1/3 portion. So you need to divide it in 2 equal halves and bring it to the side. So you need to concentrate on one portion at a time. So first you need to detangle your hair and then apply your straightener. So while you are using straightener, go as close to your roots as possible and then pull the straightener downwards. So do not go over and over again with your straightener. Just do your straightening twice on each strand. So you can see that I am going only twice on this strand, and yeah, this portion is done, you can see. So you can compare it with the other side as well. So now let's move on to the other side. Again, just detangle your hair, and trust me guys, this step is important because if you don't detangle your hair nicely, the straightening will not be as sleek as you want and your straightening will look rough. So just detangle your strand each time and then go with straightener twice, and yeah, your perfect sleek is ready. So now you can see guys that our lower 1/3 portion is done. So from the back as well you can see that this looks so sleek. So similarly, just divide your portion, like your big portion, into small portions. So for the second portion, the guidance would be to take the portion above of your ears. So you can see how I am dividing over here. So do it similarly, and again tie the upper portion in a bun. And once you have secured your upper portion, just take this portion again on the sides, like divide it again into 2 parts, 2 equal halves, and bring it in front like this. You can see that the straightened portion is behind and the unstraightened portion I have taken on both sides. Again you need to detangle your hair and go with your straightener twice on each strand. Similarly, I am doing it on the other side as well, detangling my hair and going twice with the straightener. So you can see guys, in just 5 minutes, my half of the hair is straightened. It looks so sleek and so nice. So now just move on to the top portions. So this time take angle of your eyebrows as a guide and divide the portion. Again this time as well you need to secure the upper portion in a bun. Again just divide the non-straightened hair in two portions and tie the upper portion in a bun. So this time you can see guys that the portions are thicker, so what I will do, I will divide these portions in two equal halves, like each side I will divide it in two equal halves, and then I will proceed with my straightening procedure. So I will suggest you guys to take smaller portions like thin strands of your hair to do the straightening each time, because that way your straightening will look very sleek and you will be very comfortable while doing your straightening. So now you can see guys that I am doing my side portions like the baby hair of my head. So for this you need to just tilt your head on one side and do it. So you can see that I have done the straightening on the other side as well. So it is time to do the baby hairs on this side. So again just tilt your head so that you don't burn your face with a straightener. You can see how nicely the straightening is done on my chotu hairs on the side. So once you are done, you can see you have got all the straightening done, just the upper portion like the front portion is remaining. So moving on to the upper portion, just divide again in two portions, like divide it from the middle, do a middle parting and secure one side using a rubber band again. So the one section that you got, again divide it in two equal halves like your front fringes and other half. Again just detangle your hair and go with the straightener twice. So here as well you can see guys that I am trying to do my straightening as close as possible to the root so that there will be no crooked demarcations on my hair. So guys, when I'm doing my front fringes, you can see that my front fringes are a bit more curly from the bottom. So here I will go 3 to 4 times with straightener so that I achieve that perfect and sleek straightening. So now you can see it looks straightened all over. So I will repeat this again on the other side as well. So guys, now my straightening is complete, but still I am taking like the front fringes from both the sides because I don't want like middle parting. So what I will do, I will just go once again with my straightener so that I can part it like a sideways. And yeah, my straightening is complete you guys, and see how sleek my straightening looks. My hair is looking so pretty. So I use this method a lot you guys whenever I want to straighten my hair, and this really saves my time and my hair is straightened quickly using this method in just 15 to 20 minutes, which is like so cool, and this does not require any hassle, and I find this method very systematic and easy to do. So this is perfect for everyone. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you all find this video very helpful. So yeah, I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.